Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're sitting here with our friend Kalli's new to her Acura RSX. This is a 2006. It's got the K20 under the hood. It's got a 6-speed manual transmission, as all RSXs that are Type S's do. Got some beige interior. This color is really interesting. In pictures, I thought it was going to be more of a beige, but I actually really like this color. It's kind of a, man, I don't know. It's like a silver with, you get some greenish gold down there, almost like a more of a blue tint up at the top. But it's got the Acura Type S wheels, obviously. It's got this little duck bill. Kalli does have some plans for this car. She just fresh got it. Needs a little bit of things every here and there. The clear coat is a little rough, but it came from California, was it, or Florida?
Well, it came from California originally, but
neat. Oh, so from California to Florida, and then up to Mass, and then now it's over here in Maine. Eventually, we'll need some new wheels and things like that, but not to pick it apart. It's a new to her car, and I only show you these things because it'll be cool for you guys to see this car come together over time on the channel. Some faded headlights as well. You know, we're just pointing out the flaws, and the wheel's a little rough, but that is the worst of it. The only reason I bring these things up is because you'll get to see, as she does new things to the car, it'll kind of come together. It's got a nice front lip from factory, even side skirts too. I didn't realize that. She has the sunroof, and it is just a wicked fun car to drive. It revs out to about 8 to 9K, which is super high revving. That is what the K20 is good for. In Japan, this would have been basically the Honda Integra, but in the United States, we have Acura, so here is the RSX Type S. Literally on the first drive, and it's actually going really well. Kalli's first time driving stick. I've driven it one other time, but this is a big ups. You're killing it right now. Yo, what is up, guys? So it is a new morning, and we came over to see our friend Kalli because her car died on her. The first day she drove it, it did great, and then the next morning she took it out and it died. So when she had called AAA, they came out and actually tested her battery and alternator and said, yep, your alternator's bad. So we are going to be diving into that right now. So I'm not sure if it's going to be a full how-to. I really want you guys to see more of the modifications on this as time goes on. It's a little random for me to make a how to change the alternator on this. So I'm going to make this a little bit more of a vlog style vid, show you guys what we got going on to get to it. But I actually got to take off the bumper, the T-bracket for like the radiator support, undo the radiator brackets, take out that headlight, and a couple other things. I've seen a couple different mixed ideas on how to get to the alternator, but this is how we're going to do it. So first thing I'm going to do is pull some screws off, get this bumper off, and I'll see you guys once I do all that. Kalli's taking off the headlight right now. I think I'm going to loosen this reservoir. Might not even need to, but I think I'm gonna have watched everybody else do it in their videos. We're gonna take off this T-bracket right here, a couple 10mm bolts. We're gonna take off the brackets for the radiator. I'm also going to have to try to move the AC condenser forward a little bit too, because we're going to try to pull the alternator out from like right here as opposed to going through the headlight, but having the headlight off will give us just a little bit more room to get to it. Well, there we are. We've gotten the alternator out. It only took dismantling half of the car, but as you can see, our alternator sits way down there, so removing everything up here kind of gave us a little bit of room to work. And actually taking out the headlight was helpful to get our hands down into where we needed them to remove the bolts that we had to. So here's the new alternator. We're going to drop this in and just get back to driving this thing. Well, here we are. Everything is back together. Hopefully she'll start up. Wonderful. Take the jump pack off. Now we can get back to cruising and modding this thing and having a lot more fun with it. But I figured I'd take you guys along just to show you what all in all is going on here. But it looks great. Another small project we got going on real quick is this thing has been rattling like crazy since she's had the car, and just makes a lot of noise in the cabin. So I'm going to see if I can just pull it off, and I'll get rid of that problem. Well, this is all out of there now. Every time she was in like a low RPM range, it would rattle, and it's going to sound so good without that there now. Car spotting FCR X7, let's go. So we're actually just chilling over there. It's Halloween night, and eating some ice cream. My uncle just stopped by in his bagged Harley over in front of Rapid Raisin Saco, but you guys gotta see this chopper that pulled in. I don't even know what it is, but it is crazy. The forks are so long. The flames down the side of it are sick. Everything's chromed out. I mean, this is cool. Just wanted you guys to see it. Even this Harley is real beautiful too. Look at all the stripes, the pinstriping there. There's some on the seat as well. I don't know if it's embroidered in there. It has to be, I'd figure. But that is just Beautiful paint scheme down the back of this. And here we are parked up over here. Lex has the 300E out today, and I actually am driving the convertible on Halloween. It's awesome, man. I love it. So we are out of here now. See you guys in whatever adventure I got going on next. We're over at John's house now, and I'm gonna cram back here. A little bit of extra content. I get Brendan that gets to sit in front of me. It's gonna be fun. My head's hitting the ceiling. It's gonna be awesome. I can't believe John fits in this thing, bro. Look, the back seat's touching the front seat. Yeah. Yes, sir.
I'm gonna hear the turbo right through the window.
Oh, man. We got John's Hawkeye STI sitting in here. We're gonna go for a fun little rip in this. Good content. We just went out in the 180. I'm filming him, filming me, filming Madeline, filming me, filming Alexis, who might be filming John, filming Brendan, filming me, filming Madeline, filming... That first gear launch is hard. What's up, guys? So a little off topic of today's vid right now, but we just cruised out in my custom 97 Nissan hardbody. Lexus brought out the 1990 Mercedes 300E build that we've been working on. James is pulling up right now. He's gonna park in front of us. He's got his 89 Chevy K1500 that we've been building on the channel. A little light down there we gotta fix. But super cool. Actually, this is the first outside rolling shot of the truck you guys get to see. So this is super exciting right off the back. And we're doing Friendsgiving with the homies. So I'll walk back out here as a couple other cars show up. But figured I'd show you the lineup. We've been working on this truck so much. Other than that, excited to see it here. I was going to run around and get videos for you guys. But I'll give you a little lineup. Because most of the homies are in daily car season. But check out those 400 looking pretty good. So today we're chilling over at Cabela's. It's been a while since we've had one of these meets. I got my custom 91 Nissan hardbody out here right now. We got the underglow going. It is dark out. It is like November 8th, and the weather is not bad. A little cold, but not bad. We just cruised over with Isaac, and he brought out his FC RX7, the little 13B, electronically fuel injected. The FBs had the what'd you say?
Tell him I have Fortunato 510s.
Fortunato's 510s. Ooh.
Powder coated by Cygnus.
Ooh. I don't even know what I was talking about, but looks good. He changed up the color on it. It's good. Like, if we walk like this far, you wouldn't even know. No, I'm just kidding. This kid brought out his new WRX. It's cool, man. Like, a lot of people have been putting their cars away for winter, so I don't know. We're the surviving few. But everybody's coming through right now. Meet is just starting. That is beautiful. We got Nate's Volkswagen Corrado right over here on the aero discs, man. I love this logo too. We just did a whole one-on-one video on this car, and it was just such a fun car to ride around in for the day. Active aero, beautiful. Check this out. We got a nice early 70s Corvette rolling through. I love the color on this. It's a nice metallic green, kind of gives that hint of blue. Sounds amazing too. One thing you guys gotta see, making this car look even more small, is this wicked cool E46 sedan just on its nuts. You got the clear lenses back there, nice little duckbill. Static too, I believe. I mean, he was coming in scraping. Oh, that looks so sick. Well, all right, everybody, that's going to do it for today's fun vlog style video. It was awesome hanging out with some friends, and really cool that you guys got to see Kalli's new 06 Acura RSX Type S. We got a couple cool things coming for that in the near future. Be sure to look out for that. But if you want to see some more car content in the future, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Thanks so much for watching, and peace out.